You don't want to lean back.
Used to could.
We used to could. We used to go rock climbing at Joshua Tree. Well, we went a couple times when we lived out in California, and now we're going to go indoor rock climbing. Not quite as flexible, not quite as strong, but
how long has it been, Bob, since we've gone rock climbing?
Year or two, or 15 or 20.
Well over a decade.
So yeah, so check it out. We're gonna show you the whole experience. The Edge at Halfmoon.
Yes.
In upstate New York.
Woohoo!
North of Albany, south of Saratoga Springs. Check it out. Are you cold?
Yes, I'm cold. I'm very cold.
Do some jumping jacks and warm up.
I'm not doing that.
Not while on video.
5 is when you need a rope. So that's
5 you need a rope.
yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay.
so then from there, all these are labeled 5 point something. 5.0 would be the absolute easiest, like a staircase with a rope. And 5.15 is like the hardest in the world.
The hardest in the world. Do you have 515s here? Okay.
No need, no need. So these are supposed to be super tight, like ballet shoes.
Okay. Where did they put that?
There's a little cubby hole over here.
If they're painful, then we can go up a size, but if they're real tight and maybe a little uncomfortable, that's normal. It's a very natural movement. You know, you find kids grab it really quickly as long as they get over the fears.
Right.
The movement is normal.
Lisa's actually pretty good, or she was, you know.
What's that?
It's a used to could. Women's 7.
Tight straps. Little things.
Yep.
You're gonna pull it down, it's got tension on it, so you're gonna hold one hand on it. To open it, this part falls down, twist it out to that opening, push it. Take it off the green part, put on that red loop on your harness, climb up. Once you let go, hold the rope in front of you, put both feet flat on the wall and sit back. Alright? You guys want to feel
Hold on, Danielle. No, no, no. Good job. Good job.
back on the wall. Just let go.
Lean back.
Okay.
Nice.
So when you come down on these, make sure your feet are towards the wall.
All right, I'm here with Adam at the Edge, and how long's the Edge been here?
7 years now.
7 years, great. And what's the what size square footage and?
The room is 10,000 square feet. The climbing is 14,000 square feet of climbing.
Nice, yeah, and we'll show you some of the footage. We've got the girls in the background here, heading up the wall, and they got a quick little lesson on, you know, how to hook up. But these are called what? Auto belays?
Auto belays, yeah.
Great, and a little lesson to Lisa to how to belay, and I think we're gonna just have fun with it. So
Great.
Yeah, thanks for having us here. We're having a great time.
Alrighty.
Thanks a lot.
bringing you down, smacking your face against the wall. Okay, so your feet are there so that you can keep yourself from hitting your head on the wall.
There's something there in the wild, it's a reflection of me. People fight for survival. I'm chasing tails, I'm surrounded. Can't stop for a second to breathe. My thoughts are flowing like water. One day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle.
What do you think? It's pretty cool, huh? Your hands shaking?
Yeah. Like,
Just take your mask off and join me. I know you're dying to see all the secrets I'm hiding. One day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle. Want to get rid of the stress that builds within me. Oh.
Okay, girls, did you have a good time?
Yes.
What was the hardest part?
Getting a good
Foothold?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you make it to the top?
once.
Once. Danielle, how many times? Five times? You kept
Yep.
track? Wow.
I didn't, but I'm guessing
it was
Probably
probably
five.
about there.
Yeah.
Yeah. She went up a lot.
And Lisa, did you have fun?
I did have fun.
Would you come back?
I would totally come back, yeah. It was a lot of fun. It was the most difficult thing for me was trusting the auto belay system to catch you because it doesn't catch you immediately. It catches you after about 3 feet.
Yeah.
And then it's fine. But that first one was a little bit like, no, I'm just gonna live here for the rest of today. And I don't know how long for the foreseeable future.
What do you think about this building and the place, the Edge?
It's really cool.
Do you like it?
I would
Yeah.
definitely come.
Do you recommend people come check it out?
Totally.
Come.
I
want
to
come again.
You come again? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, check it out, The Edge. We'll put a
Awesome.
link below.
We loved it.
Put a link below so you can check it out and see where it is. And yeah, good time.
Yep.
All right, catch you later.
I felt a wee bit guilty after the first time I went up, and I didn't want to come back down because I was getting frustrated with Ashley not wanting to come down. So
Yeah.
Ashley, I am sorry. I did not know how freaky that felt. So, yeah. That's my bad. You were perfectly safe, but yeah. Yeah.
Or
You may go now.